Bây giờ chỉ nhồi thôi, vuốt em nghĩ không được đâu, vuốt nổ mẹ này. How long will it cook for? Like
I think 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So the duck is on a rotisserie, a little motor with a rotisserie over fire. That's gonna roast and spin for the next hour. I'm sure it's gonna get crispy and then just embed itself with those kumquat leaves in that marinade, that internal marinade. And after 2 hours steaming, Mrs. Duke's 5-colored sticky rice is ready. It's so fragrant. You can see how the grains are perfect. And actually, they just remain perfect in the basket there. The layers, the even layers. So she's just scooping it out onto a platter. The colors of that sticky rice, it's so vibrant. That's such a beautiful deep purple. And then, oh, one more color I almost forgot. The black sticky rice at the very bottom. It's so fragrant and just so hot and aromatic. And what a tradition. Yes, the sticky rice is ready, but we still have a lot more dishes to prepare. Like they're getting started, about to get started on some more grilled pork coming soon as well.
It's boiling.
That's the sausage, and the pork is boiling now. This is the next dish that he's making, which is the thin slices of pork with some herbs chopped up in there and a light seasoning marinade salt. And then that goes into some very young banana leaves. He's wrapping it into a packet and that's going to be grilled as well. And I think they're preparing a fire in the backyard to grill the pork and these banana leaf packets.
Còn nếu mà ngâm được đường chưa tặng tốt. Đường tặng thì em thấy chỗ này cũng nóng lắm hay đặt nào? Cái không, ông không phải đặt hẳn lên đây đâu.
Back here in the backyard mountainside, they're grilling up some more of that. That's the marinated pork as well as the packet. That's right on the fire on the mountainside. Oh, that's gonna be so good. It's gonna be smoky and just, oh, the pure, real, like the real deal. With so many different dishes going on, I almost totally forgot about the fish, but all of a sudden a fish just appeared straight from the pond that they raised themselves. Again, everything, and looks like a carp, I think. That's also gonna be grilled. Once the sticky rice